How SARS-CoV-2 outsmarts our immune system, and what we can do about it. Imagine a game of cat and mouse, but instead of a furry rodent, the mouse is a virus, and the cat is our immune system. Now, imagine the virus is constantly changing its disguise, making it harder for the cat to catch it. This is essentially what SARS-CoV-2, the virus behind COVID-19, has been doing since the pandemic began. A groundbreaking study published in Nature on January 29, 2025, led by Alexia Raharinirina and her team from the Robert Koch Institute in Germany, sheds light on how the virus evolves to dodge our immune defenses, and how we can predict its next move. The study reveals that SARS-CoV-2 has been evolving its spike protein, the part of the virus that helps it invade our cells, to escape the antibodies our bodies produce after vaccination or infection. Think of the spike protein as a key that unlocks our cells. Over time, the virus has been subtly changing the shape of that key, making it harder for our immune system to recognize and neutralize it. The researchers developed a sophisticated model that combines data on how the virus mutates, how long our antibodies last, and regional infection patterns. By analyzing this data, they were able to predict which variants of the virus would become dominant and why. For example, the model accurately predicted the rise of the Omicron variant and its sublineages, which spread rapidly because they were better at evading immunity from previous infections or vaccines. This research is a game-changer because it helps us understand why some variants spread faster than others. It also explains why the same variant can behave differently in different parts of the world. For instance, the BA.2.12.1 variant dominated in the US but didn't gain much traction in Germany or Japan. The study shows that this is because the immune landscape, essentially, the mix of antibodies in a population, varies depending on which variants have previously circulated there. The model can be applied to any region, using local data to predict which variants are likely to spread. This could help public health officials make better decisions about vaccine design and distribution. For example, if a new variant is predicted to evade current vaccines, scientists could quickly develop updated shots targeting that variant. Of course, there are challenges. The model relies on having enough genomic surveillance data, essentially, tracking which variants are circulating. In some countries, this data is limited, making it harder to predict future trends. Additionally, the model doesn't account for factors like seasonality or the impact of T-cell immunity, which also plays a role in fighting off infections. But the opportunities are immense. By understanding how the virus evolves in response to our immune defenses, we can stay one step ahead. The study suggests that future vaccines could be designed to target the most vulnerable parts of the virus, making it harder for new variants to emerge. This approach, inspired by strategies used for influenza vaccines, could lead to broader and longer-lasting protection. The implications of this research extend beyond COVID-19. The same principles could be applied to other viruses that evolve rapidly, such as influenza or even future pandemics. By understanding how viruses adapt to our immune systems, we can develop smarter vaccines and public health strategies that save lives. In the meantime, the study reminds us that the pandemic isn't over. SARS-CoV-2 is still evolving, and our immune systems are still learning how to fight it. But with tools like this model, we're better equipped to predict the virus's next move and hopefully outsmart it.